So I like to come in the kitchen for a healthy snack, like a great fruit, like an orange or a banana. But you know what else is great when you're home? It's kitchen science. So all you need to do this at home is some water, a bowl, and some soap. And we're going to see why germs act the way they do when we wash our hands. First thing we do is add the water. So let's put 2 cups of water into our bowl. Now we're gonna add the pepper, and we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna sprinkle it into the water. Won't that be fun? Can you see how some of it floats on the top and the heavier pieces drop to the bottom? Now I'm gonna take this soap that we use to wash our hands, and I'm gonna stick my finger into the soap. Just gonna rub it around enough to be able to get some soap on my finger. And then, are you watching carefully? Because I'm gonna poke my finger right in the middle. Did you see that dot? Wow! Just like the germs when you wash your hands. They don't want to stay close to that soapy finger, and they move right away.